Lumas Sherry, Kindness Spark Fam. Today's story is a tale of boundaries, paciencia, and the ultimate power of private land. When ego meets gates and a stubborn HOA Karen, clever planning and a little patience can turn frustration into freedom. Let's dive in. The story. My name is Jordan. I lived my life quietly inside a neat suburban HOA neighborhood, manicured lawns, white fences, the whole package. Everything was fine, until Karen. Karen, HOA President Extraordinaire, Queen of Rules, Inspector of Weeds, self-appointed referee of human behavior. She had the power to ruin and enjoy his day and used it like it was a sport. Spinach-language. Karen ci furo mega prideo, controlo supreme, never estreso número uno. Over the years, Karen tried controlling every part of my life. The color of my mailbox. The type of flowers in my yard. Even the timing of when I mowed my lawn. Spinach. Alex o paciencia, almost evaporate like summer heat. Then came the tipping point. Cene, Karen confrontation. One Saturday morning, she marched to my driveway, face red, clipboard shaking. Karen, Spinach. Jordan. Jurfencio pendo tu darko. HOA standards violated. Me, Spinach, Karen chi, mi fence legalo, county approved. HOA no jurisdiction outside street line. Karen fumit. Rules, power, authority, ego in overdrive. Spinach narration. Karen chi volcano ready to erupto. The idea forms. I decided then, the only true way to enjoy life peacefully was, outside Karen's reach. After some research, I found 50 acres of open land just a few miles from the neighborhood. Wooded areas, rolling fields, small creek, perfect for privacy and freedom. And best of all, no HOA. Spinach narration. Jordan Braino Sparkleo, Plancimero, Karma Maga Radio. Within a week, the purchase was finalized. Deed in hand. Survey markers up. Land officially mine. Karen, of course, had no idea. Spinach. Karen chi mind blow when truth hits. Wielding the gate. The first thing I did was secure the property. A massive iron gate, automated, state-of-the-art lock system. High enough and strong enough to make even Karen think twice. Neighbors laughed quietly as I installed it. Some whispered, finally, someone who can stop her madness. Spinach narration. Gateo raizo, fredomo solido, Karen chi dreams crumble slowly. Karen finds out. It didn't take long. Karen spotted me driving to the new property one morning. Karen, Spinach, yelling across road. Jordan. Estopo. Dat lando, illegal. HOA rules o apelio. Me, Spinach, Karen chi, HOA rules stop at the neighborhood boundary. Dese 50 acres outside fredomo realo. Karen's face turned tomato red. Spinach narration. Karen chi rageo supernova, braino short circuito. She stormed toward the gate, fist shaking, ready to claim victory. Karen, Spinach, furious. Open o. Dices ultrajeo uso. Y demand acceso. Y pressed the button. The gate remained locked. Spinach. Clico, viró. Karen chi faceo soco, blocked forever. The neighborhood reaction. Word spread fast. Neighbors came over to witness Karen's meltdown. Phones out. Cameras recording. Karen screaming at a locked gate became the highlight of the year. Karen, Spinach. This is tiranio. You can't lock me out. HOA supremacio. Me, Spinach. Karen, I respect your passion, but this is my land. Rules of HOA stop here. Spinach narration. Karen chi meltono totalo, ego colapso magnificento. Even her board members were secretly impressed. They whispered, finally, someone Karen cannot boss. Spinach narration. Fredomotas teosuito, paciencia estrategio worko beautifugio. Karen tries everything. Karen didn't give up easily. 1. She called the county. 2. She tried sending letters demanding access. 3. She sent neighbors to plead for community standards. All failed. Spinach narration. Gateo un movable, Jordan calmo, Karen desperatio no maximumo. She even tried climbing the fence around the property. Security cameras captured everything. I had notifications sent directly to my phone. Karen, Spinach, Medfall. No. I will not be blocked. Spinach narration. Karen chi dignitio evapori like morning dew, espectacularo. Life outside the HOA. Meanwhile, my life improved. I built a small cabin. Planted a vegetable garden. Cleared a portion of the woods for a private walking path. Installed a small pond and outdoor fire pit. Spinach narration. Jordan lafo pesefulo, ego frio, happiness flowing like crico. Neighbors started visiting. Quietly. Respectfully. Karen, of course, was left on the other side of the locked gate, powerless. Spinach narration. Karen chi razo contendo, karma sparko shano brado. Karen's final defeat. One day, Karen came to the edge of my property, glaring at the locked gate, shouting across the field. Karen, Spinach. I demando access. HOA rules say I can oversee neighborhood. Me, Spinach, Karen chi, neighborhood ends 3 miles back. Gate is legalo. This land is privado. No ban exists against freedomo. Spinach narration. Karen braino explodeo, ego evapori, meltdown completeo. She left, muttering and fuming, realizing she had no power here. Neighbors cheered quietly from their homes. Finally, peace. Spinach narration. Fredo motasteo es veteroden victorio, patiencio estrategio reguardo bigo. The aftermath. Over the next year. Karen tried to find loopholes, all failed. I expanded the property with a small orchard. I invited neighbors for gatherings, picnics, and outdoor fun, all blocked from Karen.